Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn rounding smart together, step by step. Sometimes you don't need the exact answer, you just need close enough to round to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit. If it's 5 or more, round up to the next 10. If it's 4 or less, round down. One quick glance and you know which way to go. Let's estimate 38 plus 41. 38 has a ones digit of 8, so round up to 40. 41 has a ones digit of 1, so round down to 40. Now it's easy. 40 plus 40 is 80. The exact answer is 79, only one away. Same idea, bigger zoom. To round to the nearest 100, look at the tens digit instead. 312 has a tens digit of 1, so round down to 300. 489 has a tens digit of 8, so round up to 500. Rounding works on multiplying too. 19 times 21 looks tricky, but round both to the nearest 10 and you get 20 times 20, which is 400. The exact answer is 399, just one off. Rounding saved you a whole page of work. So here's the whole idea. Round each number to a friendly 10 or 100 first, then add or multiply the easy way. 5 or more rounds up, 4 or less rounds down. Estimation isn't guessing, it's smart, controlled rounding that gets you close in seconds. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.